Hi everybody, after a long time. Okay, I'm doing August month reading for all zodiac signs, which is gonna go in order. First is Aries. So, Aries, these are the cards which you got for month August. Whereas Five of Cups is like for me, presently or currently or past energies which I'm getting is you being sad or seeing some cats passing front of you, black cats or something, mm, coming middle of nowhere front of you or something negativity, maybe some darkness or some negative which is happening in your life, maybe happened priorly like previously which uh, affecting, or else you're sitting and thinking like maybe you're planning for career or finance. I see you want a financial stability, like some people are looking, there is a amount of people are looking for career stabilization. Something is like for me, mm, the chariot is giving interview or going for some job or having new relationship or new current life, like improving yourself. Like I'm like suggesting to people, like it's like cards are telling me, you need healing first, like healing from inside, mind, heart, soul, completely. uh, the positivity which comes from inside, it is been very much required for you this time. Whereas for clarification, I have pulled in another deck three more cards more, which is telling me like putting long lots of efforts, or you have put lot of efforts to have a stabilized career which you're being improved in coming months. I see in coming months good salary or good higher, like I see the salary increments or maybe new company or promotion for few people. And I see the sun card, where is very good card for Aries. This month is very good for you people, which you'll be traveling, or maybe your partner will be traveling or having some meeting sessions with career life or something which improves your life in professional and even a private life. I'm seeing a very good cards which has a lot of maybe you are well known in your career or in your personal life. People in your family like you, or maybe you're a charmer or a beautiful personality you have. Maybe you're very much matured, you'll be powerful and challenging it strong, like all good days are coming towards you. Like August is a good month for you. I feel there is no problem in this month. I see the month reading which I'm giving is August is very good for you people financially, and the efforts which you have put, it's bearing fruit. Maybe you'll be getting a fruit which is very much healthily rotten, or it's like healthily grown, something like that. So maybe new love is also, there is a chances in new love which will affect your attitude problems. Maybe the between thing which you have to be thought about, like the attitude, maybe the people with the same length, maybe this is difficulty you may be facing meeting people. But in career and in love relationship, who already is involved with commitment, engagements, or any marriage, like with a long-term relationship, it is very good going this month. We don't just sit, we stuck in same energy, keep moving on. All the best.